Welcome back to another episode of Things That I'm Into, and on this episode we're going to be talking about decorating. Recently I did one of these on patching a hole in my old skate pants. No, I'm not taking the skate pants that I patched and hanging them on my wall. I know that's what you were thinking. So a little backstory before we get into it. My mom texted me the other day and sent me a photo of my old skateboard. It was my first skateboard deck I ever had. She sent me a photo of it and was like, hey, I found this in the garage, like we're cleaning up. Do you want me to get rid of it or do you want it? Obviously I took it from her because you can't get rid of your first skateboard deck. It's actually a World Industries deck, which is so sick. It's got like this little fire guy that's eating beans in a vault and he's farting on a water guy that's melting him, which is so cool. Like what little kid wouldn't want that deck, you know? So I decided to hang it above my closet. What I did to hang it was just use some drywall screws and a little bit of fishing line. And it's so sick because it looks like it's just floating on the wall. Take the fishing line and just line it through where you would screw the trucks in. Tie a knot on both of those so you have two little loops of fishing line through each. Take the two loops of fishing line and hang them on the screws. And there you have it. You got yourself a floating DIY skateboard mount. Let me know what y'all think, or if you have better ways to hang a skateboard. Drop them in the comments.